Hey guys, it's Shanae from WTI. So today I wanted to share with you my favorite pair of boots, and that is my beloved Hunter boots right here. Now these boots and I go way back. I've had them for many years, and to this day I still love them just as much as when I first bought them. So they're super cute. I love the height of them, the tall rain boot with that glossy shine. I feel like they just have a really classic look that's never going to go out of style. I bought them in black because it goes with everything, and I feel like when I put these on, it just makes my outfit look that much more cute. Now they're super comfortable to wear. They're made from rubber, so they feel nice and cushy on the feet. My feet don't feel too hot or sweaty when I'm wearing them, and I get really good use out of them. I actually wear them, I would say probably about 3/4 of the year. Obviously in the spring when it's raining, these do a great job of keeping my feet dry. And in the fall time, they're perfect when you want something a bit warmer, but still nice and light. And I even wear these in the winter time. I have Hunter socks that I can just put inside as a nice lining, and they keep my feet nice and toasty all winter long. Now these boots are extremely durable. I've owned this pair for about 9 years now, and like I said, I wear it pretty much all year round, all different types of weather, and they still are in good condition. So I absolutely love these boots. I feel like I'll be wearing them for a very long time to come, and that's my point of view.